just learned this song by this group called Hello Mary. It's called Ginger. It's about, I have no idea what it's about. I looked at the lyrics. It's possible they could be using an alternate tuning, but I'm just going to show you in standard tuning. We're basically going to be using mostly this shape. Bar chords, and you can just play with the A shape if you want. I kind of have like a Marshall plexi. I'm using my Englishman distortion, which is like supposed to be a Marshall kind of sound. So we just take that A shape. You play that at the 7. D. Go to the 3rd, that's a B flat. Now you could go to a F, E, to a E power chords, because you're right there by that B flat. But it doesn't, sound like they play it like that. It sounds to me like they're playing. So that's the same. Again, you can play it just with the A if you want. And then you go E 10. That's an F sharp. That's an E. That's actually just the F. F, E. Mostly just on the D and G strings. That's the main part of the song. And then there's a that's like D. And then you go up to the 12th fret, that's G. You're using that A shape. Or you can play it with power chord. And then the second part of that's like a bridge. D, C, B flat, A power chord. Just all power chords. And that's all the parts of that song. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for that suggestion. Bye-bye.